Okay, so next is the application part of the software. This is where all the data is entered, so this would be only viewable by the counter or the chef or the person behind the deli, whoever just needs to enter the data, which would be the stock count or the wastage. So as you can see here, all the items would be uploaded from the master sheet. You can actually move the items around, so that in an ideal world you would have them in the correct order if they were on a shelf or whatever it is, so that when you are entering the count, you can just click on the units here, click whatever it is, +5 units, click the green arrow, and it'll move down to the next one. So it just makes the counting process very streamlined, very easy to do, and of course all the items would be in the correct quantity. So you can have it in the freezer, the fridge, the main bar could be a single rasher, a pack of rashers, a box of rashers, and you could have it in the correct locations, which again just makes the counting process that bit easier. It's very easy to insert and remove items as well. You can simply remove an item from a location by clicking the three dots over here at the side, and then when you do remove it from a location, it doesn't actually remove it from the master file, of course. It just removes it from that department of location, whatever it was, dry goods, freezer, etc. So that's the counting or the stock counting in a nutshell. It's very easy to use. We do have online training as well that we do with every new customer, and we have a customer success Seamus here who will be happy to take any calls or chats, whatever is needed to if you have any questions about anything at all. So to move on to the wastage, this again, the tablet will be left behind the counter or wherever it needs to be left. Say you dropped 2 rashers on the floor, so you click the quantity here, you click 2, you click OK, and then it will actually come up and you would need to select, why has it been wasted. So it doesn't just count the waste, it will give you a detailed report where you can see, in a month's period, was a lot of staff eating the food, or a lot of food is going out of date, or whatever it is. So having that data, then you can go back and obviously make changes and cut out or do whatever needs to be done to at the end of the day improve the bottom line, and that's what this is all about. As far as the counting goes, you don't actually need Wi-Fi, so you can actually be counting like in different departments at the same time. And even if there was no Wi-Fi, say in like the freezer, you can actually come out of the freezer after the count, simply click Easy Sync here, and if everyone was to do this, then all that data is then uploaded to the cloud, and wherever you are as a store manager, that data is uploaded to your dashboard, so you get the most up-to-date information on your gross margins and on your stock count. The only other part of the app will be you can enter a new products, which is also here as well. That's pretty self-explanatory, but the whole process of counting should be cut pretty much in half as you're removing the double count. You're making it a lot more streamlined, and you're making it a much more better task for the employee to do, rather than writing it on pen and paper and putting it into an Excel sheet. It's much easier to enter the data once on a tablet, and that's it done then.